Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Brex for categorized merchant data exports, full guide step by step clearly. To start, access the Brex website. Log in to your Brex account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Reports on the main menu. Click on Reports to view available report options. Find the option that refers to merchant data exports. Select Merchant Data Exports to open the export settings. In the export settings, choose your desired data categories. You can filter by time period, transaction types, or specific merchants. Make sure to select the correct format for the export file, such as CSV or Excel. After you've set your preferences, locate the Export button. Click on Export to generate your categorized merchant data. The system will begin preparing your data for download. Once the preparation is complete, a download link will appear. Click on the download link to save the file to your device. Review the downloaded file to ensure all data is categorized correctly. If you encounter any issues, return to the export settings to adjust your categories. For further assistance, consult the Brex Help Center or contact their support. Your categorized merchant data is now ready for analysis or reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.